Rivers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing. This should be a 34-inch HD lace 13x6 wig from Lemoda hair. And guys, I know like I'm a 40-inch girly, but sometimes it's like you have to compromise great lace for great length. So I'm like, what the heck? So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try a 34-inch, something just a little shorter than what I'm used to, but 34 inches is still really long if it is true to length. But we're gonna see that in a little bit. Let me not talk too much, but before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so like I was saying, this is a 34-inch wig, and sometimes some of the 40 inches, they're not always just true to length. So I'm hoping that this 34-inch wig with real HD lace, the reviews say they have real HD lace. So Lemoda hair, I've ordered from them like 5 years ago. 5 years ago, and it was a 613 wig, but people were telling me they had really good wigs. And I realized a lot of these companies I ordered from 4 years, 5 years ago, sometimes like they can change their quality. Sometimes for the worse, sometimes for the better. So I'm like, maybe I can order from these companies I tried back in college and all that. I'm over here leaning really close to y'all, talking to y'all, but okay. But I was like, maybe I could reorder. So Lemoda hair, let me start opening this package. But Lemoda hair actually has a TikTok shop store, Amazon store, and they're on Aliexpress. So I ordered from Aliexpress years ago. I got this wig from TikTok shop, but it's also on Aliexpress. So I am gonna link the Aliexpress link, because I know some people, like if you don't live in the US, you can't get TikTok shop apparently, which is insane. So I'm definitely going to have that as an option. That's super important. Oh, let me fix my posture. Do y'all ever like look in the mirror or like look at a picture and you're like, hold up, my posture looks crazy. Let me sit up straight. That's how I feel. But okay. So they have all three, TikTok, Amazon, and Aliexpress. They have TikTok, Aliexpress, and Amazon. So I'm going to link all three. So definitely don't worry if you don't live in the US and this does end up being a good wig. But here's the packaging. Here it is. It says Lemoda hair, right? I don't know if I'm saying it right. I think that's how you say it. That's how I say it in my head. So let's open this thing. Let me see. Okay, so it has a little zip lock on it. Little zip tie. Oh guys, I did buy this wig 100% myself, my own money. I did not say that in the intro. I'm gonna have to go back and put that in, but yes, I did buy this wig 100% myself with my own money, you guys. This video is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video. But let's go ahead and open this wig and see what we're working with here. I'm pretty excited. So it comes with a wig cap, HD wig cap, bam, bam, bam. Praying that this is real HD lace. I'm praying, you guys. Okay, it seems pretty long. Like this is really long. And honestly, let me fix this. I feel like lately, the wigs from Aliexpress, they're not the same as they used to be, like some years ago. Like, I was looking at some of my 2020 unboxings, and I'm like, oh, this is not the same. Oh my goodness. This lace is so thin, you guys. Look at that. Look at this. Where is it? Where is the lace? Let me see if I can. The lace is so freaking thin. This is real HD lace, and we have a looser curl pattern. I love a loose curl pattern. So on the page it says that this is also a 210% density wig. So it is somewhat thick. And on the Aliexpress page, so if you decide to buy this wig from Aliexpress, they actually have a 250% version too. So this is just the 210. But guys, this curl pattern is what I want. This is my dream curl pattern. Like this is looser. Like this is exactly what I want. And what, 34 inches? This is still at my butt. Like this is perfect. This is everything I ever wanted, honey. Everything I ever wanted. Now I have to wait to, I'm gonna install the wig for you guys. I'm going to install it. So I do love that since they do have like TikTok, Amazon, and Aliexpress. On TikTok and Amazon, they can't fake reviews like they do on Aliexpress. They can't fake those reviews. So the one bad thing I saw on the reviews in TikTok shop was that this wig may not be big head friendly. So we gotta, oh my goodness. Okay guys, see, like, let me tell you, so many wigs have not gotten me just excited lately. I'm so close to you guys, but I'm excited. So I cannot wait to put this wig actually on. But let's really look at this lace. When you see these little fine hairs right here, oh, like, hold on, let me see. Like, it's like kind of threads coming off, and it's not just a straight lace. Oh, you got some real HD lace here. This lace is super duper thin, and I wasn't even expecting this because I don't really care if it's a 13 by 6, but this is a full 13 by 6. You have unlimited parting space. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me calm down. Let me calm down. I cannot wait to do my little pigtails. I love some cute pigtails. I love a cute updo, especially with curlier hair. Oh, it's gonna eat. It's gonna eat. But you got a full 13 by 6. I'm losing it. I'm losing it. But the one thing I'm worried about is if this wig is big head friendly or not. Like, I got this other wig on, but okay, so it fits on my head, you guys. It fits on my head. It does fit. It's not on all the way because I'm not trying to really mess up my hair. But yeah, when I actually install this wig, of course, I'm going to come back with an updated review. But guys, this curl pattern is everything. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is the curl pattern. This is like a water wave, looser texture. Like, I'm not even going to have to put any gel in this hair. Huh. Let me see. This is really gorgeous, you guys. Let me get it as close as possible. Like, the curl pattern is eating. It is absolutely eating the girlies up. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so happy I took a gamble because, like, lately I've been like, if it's not 40 inches, I'm not looking at it. But I've had like, so I recently ordered a 46-inch wig, but I felt like the lace is just not giving. That's why I didn't show you guys because it's just, I don't want to promote it. It's not giving. So I was like, you know what? Maybe if I compromise on the lace a little bit, because I think they do a really good job on wigs when it's like 32 inches and less. Like, that's great, but this is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. And a full 13 by 6, that's what I'm really excited about. Like, oh, I really am very, very happy with that. But the fact that it is actually a full 13 by 6, that makes me very happy. I'm gonna do some cute little zigzags and everything. I'm excited for this wig. And it was, what, $250? So, I think it was maybe, so the wig cost about $300, I believe. So, I mean, that's decently priced, and the wave pattern is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The curl pattern, like, that's really, really pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this wig. I'm going to dye it, probably bleach, well, definitely bleach the knots. I don't know if I'm gonna dye it jet black. Probably dye it jet black, pluck the hairline a little bit, but this lace, how can y'all see this? So y'all see the little fine hairs on the lace now. I'm really excited and I'm really, really happy. So happy. The length looks good, and I'm 5'7", you guys. So when I actually put this wig on, we're really gonna be able to see the length. But as long as it's on my butt, I'm happy. As long as it's on my butt, I am happy, happy, happy. But you guys, of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.